Welcome to your Thursday weather forecast. On Thursday morning, another cloudy and foggy start to your day around the western, the southwestern and the southern coast. Foggy conditions now also expected around the eastern coast in parts of KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga. But then quickly warming up due to Bergwind conditions in the Cape provinces as well as KwaZulu-Natal, where temperatures will soar well above 30 degrees Celsius. Isolated thunderstorms possible around Lesotho, in parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo on Thursday afternoon, then a quick drizzle possible in KwaZulu-Natal and some light rain possible around the southwestern and the southern coast of the Western Cape. In this region, we are expecting a very poor PV harvest due to the cloudy and foggy conditions, otherwise an average to good PV harvest over the rest of the country. Taking a look at your winds, northwesterly to westerly winds picking up and blowing fresh to strong around the southwestern and the southern coast. The northwesterly winds blowing fresh to strong over the Cape provinces, with the Weather Service warning against runaway fires due to the extremely hot, dry and windy conditions, so please be careful. Northeasterly winds blowing fresh to strong around the eastern coast, later strong winds expected around the eastern coast, and fresh westerly to southwesterly winds now blowing around the southern and the eastern coast. But in the Western Cape, foggy and cloudy conditions in the morning over the southwestern and the southern areas. Cooler conditions moving in over the central part of the province, temperatures only in the lower 20s. Northwesterly winds blowing around the southwestern coast and a westerly to southwesterly wind blowing fresh to strong at times around the southern coast. Cloudy conditions expected in the Garden Route, but quickly warming up in the Karoo due to this Bergwind conditions 38th afternoon in Graaff-Reinet, and also quickly warming up over the interior of the Eastern Cape, temperatures reaching the upper 30s in places and reaching 30 degrees Celsius this afternoon in East London and Port St John's. Northeasterly winds blowing fresh to strong around the eastern coast, partly cloudy skies expected in KwaZulu-Natal, but quickly warming up, temperatures reaching the mid-30s in Pietermaritzburg and Ulundi. Over the Highveld, we are expecting partly cloudy skies with isolated thunderstorms into the afternoon, temperatures in the upper 20s and reaching the mid-30s this afternoon in the Lowveld. In Limpopo, we are expecting partly cloudy skies and a hot afternoon, temperatures in the lower to mid-30s, reaching 35th afternoon in Lephalale and Messina. In northwest, partly cloudy skies expected and becoming windy over the western parts of the province, temperatures in the lower to mid-30s, reaching 34th afternoon in Potchefstroom and Taung. In the Northern Cape, we are expecting foggy conditions in the morning around the coastal areas, remaining quite cool, only 21 the afternoon in Alexander Bay. Cooler conditions moving in over the southwestern parts of the province, but northwesterly winds picking up and blowing fresh to strong at times. Extremely hot conditions expected over the central and northern regions after a morning of 21 in Uppington, 38 the afternoon. In the Free State, partly cloudy skies, windy conditions expected over the southwestern regions, temperatures above 30 degrees Celsius, 32 the afternoon in Bloemfontein. And then in Gauteng, we're expecting a partly cloudy and hot afternoon, 31 in Pretoria and Vereeniging. On Friday and Saturday, mostly dry conditions across the country and extremely hot over the interior, with heatwave conditions over the central and northeastern regions from Friday till at least Sunday, temperatures reaching the mid to upper 30s and soaring to 40 degrees Celsius on Saturday afternoon in Uppington, Pretoria reaching a high of 35 and Mahikeng, Bloemfontein reaching a high of 36. Well, that's all from me. Stay hydrated and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.